Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biscuit. How is everybody doing? Hopefully you all are having a great day wherever you are. So today's video, as you saw by the title, will be a PR from Jofay Fashion. And Jofay Fashion reached out to me again asking if I would be interested in reviewing another product. And of course I was like, sure. So they gave me a list of items to pick from, and I chose this press-on kit here. And the reason I chose this press-on kit is because the press-ons just look so flawless. Do you hear me? They look so flawless. And also for my working girlies or neutral girlies who are looking for something that's neutral to wear to different types of events, such as either different types of events or places such as work, dinner, a brunch, a family gathering. Like, I feel like you can't go wrong with some French tip nails, and I actually got them in stiletto. So of course the kit comes with instructions. It tells you the steps on how to apply. It tells you all of the items that you will receive inside. It came with a nail file, a nail buffer. It came actually with a nail stand which had 12 sticky tabs, so that way you can put your nail on the nail stand and you can decorate it from there, or obviously you can put them on and then decorate yourself. It's totally up to you, but they give you options. And they also give you these 3 gorgeous stickers. I like the stars, the hearts, and the butterflies. Like, I was very, very impressed. Then it also comes with their 28-day wear solid nail glue, which is what you will use to adhere your press-ons to your natural nails. It also comes with a nice top coat, which is a no white top coat, and it also comes with a primer. Now this is key. The primer is key to having long lasting nails. You all know that when I do wear my press-ons, I do apply my dehydrator and my primer and then do the nail glue, so them nails aren't going anywhere. Do you hear me? Also in this kit you do get a mini LED UV lamp, and this is definitely cute. I love, it's actually light purple. I know you all probably can't tell on camera, but it is light purple. It does come with 6 lights, and it also comes with a cord for you to plug in. Now actually for this I will be using my backup battery, so you actually don't have to plug it into a wall or anything like that. You could actually use a backup battery charger and you can use your lamp just like that. So you'll see me do that in this video. So yeah, and then of course the last and final item that we will get into will be the press-on nails. Alright, so let's get into these press-ons. Look how many are in here. Like, I mean, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You have 10 pairs of press-on nails that you could wear 10 different times, or obviously if you use sticky tabs you can still preserve that. But I'm just shocked at how many press-ons actually come in the bag. Like, I am really, really impressed. And not only that, I mean, I almost right, I almost tried to see how many sets I could make with my nail sizes, but I couldn't make them all. So I probably could make 3 like sets, so I could only get like 15 nails. But I mean, you probably, depending on whoever else's nails you might do with these, you probably could save those and then you could use them on someone else's if it fits their nail bed, and you have the correct sizes. So I think that is definitely something very, very good that Jofay is offering. They also do have the numbers on the back of the nail tips just in case you aren't sure. And for the most part, I was grabbing the ones that I knew would fit my nail plate and nail bed. So yeah, but these are really, really gorgeous. You cannot go wrong with some French tip nails. And you all know I love a good stiletto, but I also love a good duck now. But these were really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and size out my sizes for both hands. And I am going to let you all watch this portion, and then I'll be back. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I will be doing a pop-off method. I will actually be using some sticky tabs, but of course you want to follow the instructions that Jofay gives you. You want to make sure that you cut down your natural nail, make sure that you shape and file and buff your natural nail. Then you're going to go ahead and put on your primer. And then you are going to go ahead and take your nail glue, which they provide in the kit. You're going to go ahead and put that on your nail tip and then press on to your nails. And then you're going to use your lamp and cure. So I'm going to be using sticky tabs because I know I am going to be wearing these soon. And I actually have some more videos that I would like to do before I put these on. But you will be seeing these in future videos down the line. But I wanted to put these on to show you all how neutral these look. And then I'm also going to take some of the stickers that they put in this kit, and I'm going to go ahead and put them on my nails. Like, these are flawless, honey. These look so good. And just imagine when if you wanted to like make those sharp, you could like just take your nail file and file those down, baby. Those, what? I'm definitely wearing these after I get all these videos out that I have planned to do. So I'm gonna just go ahead and round off the tip of the nail, but for the most part these are really, really gorgeous. And I will have a link down in the description box for this exact kit, so make sure you check that out if you are interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my stickers, and then we're gonna apply the top coat, and then we will be done. Like, simple, easy, 1 2 3. You don't gotta spend a lot of time. You could just add something real quick, put the top coat on, and boom, you are out the door for a function, to go out to dinner, go to a family event. Like, I mean, this is really quick. And that is exactly what we want when we're on the go. All right, you all, so here is the final look. These are the nails, and these are giving. These are so cute, so simple, dainty, and cute. And like I say, they're for everyday wear, to the office, to dinner, to brunch. Like, you could pop these on date night, event, whatever. Like, they're really, really cute. So thank you so much to Jofay Fashion for sending this over to me. I am definitely going to be rocking these all the time along with my other ones. But thank you so much for allowing me to review this kit. You all need to make sure you go over and get you one. The link will be down in the description box. If you all have any questions, as always, leave them down below, and your girl will catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.